Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And today's the day. Today is August 28th. My Google Pixel 10 Pro XL has just been delivered, and I'm super excited to get my hands on this and set it up as my primary phone. In this video, I'm just going to unbox the device, show you how easy it is to get everything out of the box. And in tomorrow's video, I'll show you the full setup experience I go through after the unboxing. So make sure you're subscribed to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. This is where we cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything we think makes the travel experience better. But let's get underway. As usual, Google is really good with their packaging in terms of accessibility. I don't need to use my jerry-rig everything knife. I can just pull the tabs on here, 1 and 2, and what this does is it releases the sleeve around the box, which can then be easily slid out of the sleeve itself, or it should be. Oh, if it was hooked on at the side slightly. Okay, there we go. And inside the box we get this, honestly, piece of nonsense sticker with the energy rating of the device. Honestly, I'm happy we Brexited, because this is pretty pointless to have this label in it. But anyway, not much we can do about it. I'm just going to open the box. As you can see on the outside of the box, you have a depiction of the device itself. And on the side it says that it's the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Excellent. So you can see the device here. Let's just check on the other things in the box. So we have quite a thick booklet of details here. So this is your quick start guide nonsense. And here we have a little pokey tool. So this one is specifically Google style or Pixel style. It's just a round one with a poking bit, and that's it. There is no cable in the box as far as I can see. Let's see if there's one elsewhere. So let's take the phone out. Yes, we have a USB Type-C. So USB Type-C to Type-C cable. This is a power delivery cable, and interestingly there is no cable adapter for USB A to C. That's no longer included with the Google Pixels. If you check out the previous unboxings of Google Pixel devices we've done here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, you'll see that that used to be included, no longer the case. Okay, Google Pixel 10 Pro XL in Jade. I'm going to rip open this. This is paper, and here is the device. Very nice. So this is Jade, sort of a greeny color, and then it has a metallic Google logo. It looks bigger than last year's one. And then we have gold finish around the edges of the device. As usual, I've decided to go for the bling bling color of this iteration of the device. Let's just have a quick comparison of aesthetics with the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. So there you go. Yeah, the G is just slightly bigger, but much more noticeable because of the fact that it's in that gold and a completely different texture to the rest of the device. Pixel 9 Pro XL will be doing a full side-by-side comparison in the coming days. So as I said, make sure you're subscribed to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And that's the device. Let's have a quick sneak peek at the display. It has just vibrated, it's turning on. So it's a nice OLED display, G for Google. See the SIM tray at the top, little microphone hole, USB-C and symmetric speakers on the side, and your power button and volume rocker on the right hand side, all on one side. It feels hefty. That's first impressions. Quote me on that. The Google Pixel 10 Pro XL is hefty. Great, so as you can see, this is the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL with the display on, nice and clear, nice and bright, quite like that. and the new material design language in that launcher. Right then, so unboxing. To summarize, you've got box with some documents you'll probably never read, a little pokey tool, SIM ejector tool, and USB-C to USB-C cable, and the device itself. Great, so I will be following up this video with the setup video. As I said earlier, make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell on to be notified of when we do publish new videos. We'll also be covering a bunch of accessories and devices I've bought. Interesting ones. The Pixel has Pixel Snap, so I'll be trying magnetic wireless chargers, magnetic cases from KW Mobile, and a bunch of other accessories with this device. So there's going to be plenty of coverage, as well as our usual coverage of other devices, accessories, gadgets, fashion, essentially anything we think makes the travel experience better. So thanks for watching if you made it this far, and goodbye from me.